Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com and welcome to another MASC Minute. So if you're new to the world of good skincare, you might be unsure about where to start. So what I'm going to cover in this video today is what a good basic skincare routine consists of. And then once you have that good foundation, you can build or add on to that as needed. So step number one is going to be your wash or your cleanser. This is your face wash that you use on a daily basis. Ideally twice a day. I've been using face wash since I was literally 10 years old, twice a day, and it's working for me, so that's what I recommend. Purpose of the wash is going to help to remove excess oil, dirt that builds up on the skin, and it's just going to help your skin look and feel better. So that's your daily use wash. Step number two is going to be your face scrub, your face exfoliant. This is not a daily use product. This is a product that you use, what I recommend 3 times a week is good. So maybe like a Monday, Wednesday, Friday routine. If you do a wet shave with the razor, this is a great pre-shave product to use in the shower. It really helps to prep the skin nicely for shaving. You'll find you have a better shave with less irritation. And in addition to the shaving benefits, it provides a whole bunch of other benefits. It's a nice deep cleanse, removes excess dirt in the pores. Sorry, I got tongue-tied there. And then it also removes dead skin cells, so your skin is going to look brighter and fresher. Definitely what I consider a core product. I swear by scrubs. I think they're great. Step number 3 is going to be your face lotion or your face moisturizer. Now this is a product that's more dependent, what we suggest is more dependent on the person's skin type. So someone with dry skin is going to need something different to someone with oily skin or combination skin. And we get a lot of guys coming in saying, oh, I have oily skin, do I need a moisturizer? And in my opinion, the answer is yes. You just need the right kind of moisturizer. Moisturizers, in addition to moisturizing, provide a whole bunch of other benefits. So even if your skin is oily, I think that you just need to have the right kind of moisturizer and you get those additional benefits. Step number 4 is going to be under eye products. Now some of you might be wondering, well, why is under eye product a core product? That sounds more like an add-on. And the reason I think it's a core product is because the under eye area is the first part of your face that shows signs of aging, in my experience. And so you really want to get on a preventative, if you're serious about looking your best as you age, you really want to get on a nice preventative routine, and you will reap the benefits down the road. So I would suggest that you get onto using an under eye product in your 20s. I've been using one since I was a teenager, and I'm reaping the benefits as a result of being consistent. So what it does for under eye product is going to help to address dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and that's in a treatment sense and also in a preventative sense. So you get some immediate benefits and you get long-term benefits too. And then product number 5, which is the one that I said is not necessarily for everyone, it kind of depends on your skin type, is a toner or tonic, as some brands call them. So this is a product that we use after washing your face and before applying moisturizer. So some toners are like a treatment toner. This particular one helps to balance out the skin if your skin is really oily or congested. Other toners just provide astringent properties. Kind of depends on the toner and depends on your needs. So it might be something we suggest if your skin type warrants it. And
I have a question.
Yes.
If I was to use a serum in my routine, where would that go? Right.
So this is not core anymore. We're getting into add-ons here. But a serum would be after your moisturizer before your moisturizer, after washing your face and before the moisturizer. Sorry, I got thrown off there by that random question. And then
if you were to do a mask, where would that fall in, and how often should you use that?
So the mask would be maybe once or twice a week. Masks are a little harder I find it hard to get into a routine with a mask because it's less frequent, so I tend to forget. But if you can do it a minimum of once a week, that's great.
Okay, that's great.
Thank you. Anyway, so to recap there, core products: cleanse, scrub, moisturize, under eye. We have a whole bunch of these products on our website, shopmasc.com. If you want to send us an email or send us a message on the website, we have a little chat feature, you can do that. And of course, come into the store in Vancouver if you want to see them here. Thanks for listening.